Hi guys, my name's Leon Thomas and I work at Digital Elements. This is the YouTube channel that you're currently on. All of the content on this channel I've made, so you get a good taste of what I can do. So I am a visual effects artist, been in the industry now for about 20 years, feature films, television, personal projects, corporate projects and stuff are my bread and butter. As you can see, I've got a wide range of gear, got lots more behind you. And the big thing is I spend hours in here, and so all of this is set up to work fast and efficiently. I've been contacted by 3Dconnexion to try out the new SpaceMouse Wireless SpaceMouse that they make. And so I'm going to give you my unboxing impression, and then I'm going to use it for a month and come back to you guys and actually tell you how I found it, to see if it actually improves my workflow. And then maybe after that, if there's an avatar, I can start showing you some of the stuff that I do and how to do it. So without further ado, let's get in and open up the box and see what this stuff is. Exciting. Okay, so looking at the box, I've got to say the packaging looks pretty cool, so I'm pretty confident this is a pretty legit product. Let's open her up. Oh, come on. Nicely packaged. Oh, come on, there we go. So when you look, especially things like, pretty easy what it's telling you on the back, what it can do. So let's open it up and have a look. Alright, very cool. All the instructions you need. Oh, already, I like the weight of that. Weight generally means quality in my industry, so let's have a look at what's in the box. That's all cool. All the instructions there, brilliant. So we'll put that aside. We'll actually put that aside as well. Let's have a look at this. So we've got a USB cable, which is pretty standard. Obviously that connects to your computer. So let's have a look at this. Oh man, I do like the weight. That's very cool, especially as a contractor, I sometimes go work on other people's gear. So if this works out really well for me, it'd be nice to be able to, oh man, that feels nice. Wow, that feels really nice. Yeah, I like that. So the good thing there is it shouldn't float around when I put it on the desk and I'm using it. Oh, that feels really nice. Oh, I suppose the big thing now is to get it all plugged in and see, man, that feels nice. Alright, nice. I like that container too. Alright, let's have a look. Here we are in Cinema 4D and we'll try the mouse though. Oh. Oh, I like that. So you can go from side to side. It's definitely a little bit tricky, but I get it. Up and down, and we can spin it. Oh nice, spin it that way. Yeah, I get that. Oh, that's smooth. It's quite nice being off the keys. I definitely would appreciate some hotkeys around this though. I think hotkeys would make this mouse just absolutely pop. Like I've got these side keys which bring those sort of things up, which I'm sure I can, but yeah, just being able to click and go would be awesome. But man, this is cool. Oh, I like that. Yeah, cool. Oh, that's very cool. Okay, so now I've unboxed it, had a good look at it, and I've got to say I'm impressed with the build quality. It is a little bit tricky out of the box to use, so I'm looking forward to learning to do that, but it was no different to my tablet. That took me about a month to get my muscle memory up, so I'm picking with what I've seen of this so far. This could be a very, very cool addition to my work pipeline. So I'm going to come back to you in a month, let you know how I find it, and yeah, so thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later. See you, bye.